Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at the JeepsterMan.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore. Alright, so I'm up here at Jeepster Man. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to actually take this rear bumper off and take this front bumper off my 2013 JK. And we're going to try these new bumpers from MD Juan and see how they fit. They're just tacky looking, so we're going to put some good stuff on there. And we'll see what it looks like when we're done.
All right, guys, this is John at Jeepster Man. Today we're talking about the new rear bumper we're going to be selling for the JK. I'm just going to talk about the installation process, how easy it was. Anybody could do this with basic hand tools. It's probably a 30-minute process, and you could do it with one person. It does make it nice if you have two, just when it comes to lifting this up and putting the bumper in there. So you'll see we removed the old bumper, which was very easy, took like 5 minutes. You are going to have to remove the hitch receiver if you have one. Some of the JKs don't. There's 4 bolts for that. I think it was 18 millimeter for those. And you get them out from the back side. And then this had a tow hook on the driver's side, so we removed that. And that was right over in here. I believe that was 18 millimeter. You'll have brackets on each side that are up in here. There's this one. There's the other one on the other side. You got to take those brackets off. Other than that, that's the disassembly. It was really pretty easy. We already test fitted this bumper up. We're going to get ready and put this inside, because it basically goes inside the frame rails. It does come with new hardware, comes with bolts and such. So next we're going to install this bumper into the back of this, and we'll come back and show you how we bolted that up and put that in there. So go ahead and pick this bumper up and install it into your frame rails. It really is pretty easy. They just slide in there, and then you got to push this bumper all the way up in there. There you go. Now, you probably will have to kind of center up, because there's bolts. It takes 2 bolts on each side. You'll have to kind of center those up when you get it in there. And then there's 2 bolts in the back side that go in there. So we're going to go ahead and bolt this thing up, and we'll come back and we'll show you that. But that's pretty much what it's going to look like installed. You can see it's got tow hooks already on it. It's got a hitch receiver already on it, which is really nice. You can see this rough texture, this tough texture. The welds, this is all robotic welded, beautiful welds on this heavy gauge steel. So we'll come back, we'll bolt this thing up, and we'll be right back. And today we're talking about the new bumper for the JK that we're starting to carry, that we're installing here. So we took the old one off. It was really pretty easy. You've got 4 large bolts on each side that come off with that. What's cool about our bumper is it will reuse your existing running lights. So we took the running lights off as well. And this bumper comes with like a upper, almost like stinger bar, where you mount lights on top of it. So we went ahead and installed this in the shop before we put it on. We figured that would be easier. And it mounts the same way that the old one does, so really pretty simple. So next we're just going to install this on this thing, and we only have 8 bolts that we have to do that. Now I did notice these wires. We're going to have to extend these wires to hook up our existing running lights. That shouldn't be too much of an issue, but it's pretty cool to be able to run that. This is also set up for a winch, as you can see right there. We don't have a winch on this one yet, but we'll get this installed and we'll come back and we'll give you any pointers or anything that we ran across when we put this on. So, all right guys, we're back. We just finished the install on this bumper. It was super easy to install this bumper. It was only 8 bolts. Pretty self-explanatory when you get them on there. I think they were 18 millimeter. But really simple installation. Again, this bumper we sell, very stout steel bumper, robotic welded, great looking welds. You can see the black textures that we put on these bumpers here. Like I said, you can run your existing running lights on this. It also has mounts for additional lights if you want to put some LEDs up there. And then it has the winch mount for the fairlead and stuff as well. So really just a great looking front bumper. It's a full width bumper. This will fit the JKs. We can walk around. I'll show you the back one too. And here's the matching back one that we installed earlier today. Same sort of, same concept, same sort of design here. Full width bumper. Again, robotic welds, has the texture on it, tow hooks. Already has the hitch receiver built into it. which is nice. So that's pretty much it. If you guys got questions, you can give us a call, 314-798-642, or you can email us, sales@thejeepsterman.com. Thanks.
To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep Restoration Parts catalog from the Jeepster Man, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today.
Awesome. Actually, you know what? No high tech at all.
That's